The number 9, fallen to death. Number 9 is derived from a number of sources. 3 sets of threes, or 3 by 3 is the most obvious. The 3 primary colors, shapes and sounds each have 3 principal parts. The total of these 3 sets of 3 equals 9. The senses used in this manipulative task were aimed at the sense of sight and the sense of sound.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
These senses were purposely conjured up within our illusory forms for their communicable characteristics, able to receive the thoughts of the Luciferian group of thinking beings, causing us to believe that these thoughts are ours. Color: red, yellow, blue, subtractive, or red, green, blue, additive. Shape: curve, line, angle. Sound: pitch, rhythm, beat. The cube. Another representation of the origin of the number 9 is the cube. The cube has a volume of 3 times that of a pyramid. Religious systems using the cube as a symbol are still devoted to the same sun god. It really doesn't matter what name you call your god, it just matters to the Luciferian thought process that you have a god, for they are all one and the same, and the concept of God is always that supreme lunatic, the Luciferian group entity of thinking beings. Have a look at a simple magic square below. This is the basis for the power of the magic cube. A number is assigned to each of the 9 squares. Each row adds up to 15, even diagonally. 15 is the strongest number that represents the deity. 3 is the strongest number in regards to the form, or shape, of the deity. But 15 is the number most strongly associated with the Luciferian God concept. It just so happens that 15 coincides with 3 on the 24-hour clock, or the second clock phase shown on this site. Then, when you total the 3 15s, you get the number 45. 45 coincides with the number 9 on the third clock phase. 9 is the number of the fall, the beginning of the fall season, and is the symbolic number of the fallen to death, in respect to the 3-dimensional creation of the Luciferian thought form. It is the 9th month, September, and the 11th day, that is regarded in oral tradition on the Hebrew calendar, to many Jewish faithful, as the first day of creation. The first day of the fall into death. 11 is the number thereby associated with death, as it is the 11th hour, the last hour before midnight and the coming judgment. All of this is just symbolism, but symbolism implements the power of hypnosis, the power of the deity to control our eternal paradise state. We're in paradise now, however the 3-dimensional experience that perpetuates the trance, separates us from reconnecting to the wisdom and eternal power of our original state. Becoming aware that this is what's transpiring, completely liberates us from the trance, and we reconnect and reclaim the power and wisdom of that eternal state right now. The number 9 can also be derived from the magic square of Saturn, shown above. Saturn is another source for the name Satan. Satan is derived from the Arabic word shaitan, which alludes to the one who brings enlightenment, or knowledge. This is also the same meaning to the name Lucifer, and though the exact terms are not originally found in the Bible, the whole Jewish, Christian Bible is completely devoted to the light bringer, who is Jehovah, and who Christians believe, is Jesus, the light of the world. All these names, or terms, refer to the creator, conjurer, who should rightfully be referred to as the Luciferian egregore group of thinking entities, who agree together to perpetuate deceit to manifest a hypnotic trance illusion. This illusion manipulates our reality through the Christ, Antichrist concept, or the number 666, which, when inversed, are symbols of 999, or 9 by 111, which in turn represents the fallen to death. With this particular example, there are 3 rows of 3 squares, one on top of the other. The numbers 4 to 9 to 2 are placed in the top row. 3 to 5 to 7 are placed in the middle row. 8 to 1 to 6 are placed in the bottom row. No matter which way you add these rows up, across, up and down, or diagonally, you always get 15. The number 15 is the number most strongly associated with the deity sun god. Saturn relates to the Greek god Cronus, from where we get the term chronology. Saturn and the Sun, though appearing as opposites, together symbolize the duality nature of worshipping the three-dimensional experience as if it were real. Chronology, the science of computing time, and another god related to Saturn, is the god Shani. This is a demigod of India. Any of these terms can be used with reference to the number 9. When you add up the 9 numbers in the magic square, you get a total of 45. 45 coincides with 9 on the 4th clock face illustrated on this site, and is the number of the fall. 45 equals 4 plus 5 equals 9. Divide 45 by 9 and you get 5. The connection to the 5-sense reality, which is synonymous with the fall into death experience. This symbolism just keeps connecting all over the place, and is the motivation behind the term sacred geometry. Quite apart from being incidental, it is how we are all connected, and for that matter, how we all appear to be real, to the manipulation taking place on a grand scale,